May,
It's okay. Yes, Mr. Saran.
may please also, though my lord, the hearing, my lord, it has been listed, but there is a IA, my lord. IA should be required to dispose of, my lord. IA 2136, my lord, been filed, my lord, to implement the opposite party 11 to 36 in the PIL, my lord. Because, my lord, until unless those opposite parties are met party in the PIL, my lord, the
11 to
36, my lord. Original respondent is up to 10, my lord, page 13, my lord, of the IA. From 11, my lord, the elected member of the council, my lord.
yes.
My lord, notice should go them. They are the elected representative, my lord. They may file the objection about implement as they have challenged their, my lord.
Counsel for the petition for the applicant. We can implement them. Yeah. We can implement them this by this application. Oh, also heard Mr.
Jesutia.
J. Jutia, the standing counsel.
KAC.
Case. By this application, the applicants are praying for impeachment of respondents 11 to opposite parties
11 to 36.
as party respondent number
My lord, it will be my 11 to 36 also in the PIM.
11 to 36.
Yes.
In PIL number 15 of the on the result of the function in the present. I is disposed in the main PIL in view of order passed today in the IA number so and so. Let's so and so be included as party respondents 11 to 16. 11 to 36. Issue notice on the newly included respondents 11 to 36. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 11 to 36 by the registered post within 1 day.
Lord, see, I may pray, my lord, that I may be allowed to serve the notice to the principal secretary of the KAC, my lord.
They are the elected
That will be
representative. They have
difficult.
to file it.
My lord.
Restructure for weeks. In the meantime, petitioners shall also file an amended post title.
Well,
Amended PIL, my lord. They have already amended the PIL.
No, the
also,
post
my lord.
titles, including those names.
Post title and the
Post
PIL.
title.
Within the period of 1 week from now. 1 week.
My
within
lord.
1 week.
My lord. High level, my lord.